Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of Orion's Galaxy. I'm Noel Smith from Orion AV, and today we have a jam-packed episode for you. We are going to be doing not one unboxing, but two unboxings of the Avonic IP controllers which they've just released. So without further ado, let's have a look at the CON200 IP controller from Avonic. Beautiful touch, Avonic. Love it. Okay, so inside the box, guys, your quality control card signed by the person who tested the camera before it left the offices. Next up, we have your PSU with the 2-pin to figure 8 AC cable included in the pack. Oh, and here she is. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the CON200 IP controller from Avonic. Isn't she a beauty? As you can see, 3-inch color LCD screen, 4 completely assignable dials that turn all the way around, 4D access controller joystick, as well as nicely spaced buttons for when you want to press. Let's have a look at the back. All right, so on the rear, we have your RS422 and 485 connector, LAN port that also supports PoE, your PSU connector, and lastly, your power switch. Nice and simple. Let's have a look again. Absolutely beautiful. Very nice weight as well, decent quality. You can feel it right off the bat. Okay, so let's have a look at the CON400 IP controller. Again, nicely done, Avonic. Absolutely love it. Okay, guys, same as the previous box. Your quality control card, signed by the guy who tested the camera before it left their offices. Pre-packed HDMI cable. Standard kettle cord. Your PSU block, which comes with a screw-in type barrel connector. And lastly, 2 Phoenix connectors for the rear of the controller. Now let's have a look at this beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the CON400 IP controller from Avonic. Isn't she lovely? Again, assignable full turn dials. You have 7 of these you can play with and assign to whatever you'd like to do with the camera. You've got your 4D full access joystick, as well as a 5-inch color LCD panel. Wonderful. All right, let's have a look at the back. So on the back, we have tele control. We have RS422 485 connector, RS232 connector, USB, HDMI, as well as your LAN connector. And then lastly, power supply input and your on-off switch. Again, very simple, nothing difficult at all. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the CON400 IP controller from Avonic. All right, and that brings us to the end of today's show. Thank you very much for your time to watch the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on awesome content like this as well. Lastly, we will be showing these off at MediaTek, so please pull through, have a look for yourself, try it out, and we'll take it from there. Thank you and goodbye.